welcome to Red Lipstick. Excuse the lack of makeup. I'm just doing a closet tour today, so I don't think you guys really care if I wear makeup or not. So anyways, let's get on into it. I wanted to show you guys my closet. I did do this entire closet myself, as in I made all the shelving and everything. I have this on my channel where I can show you guys how I went about making my closet, so I will link that video somewhere up in the cards up here and down in the info box below as well. That is my son if you hear any baby noises. So yeah, let's get on into the closet tour. So here is when you walk right into the closet. Hopefully the lighting's okay. It's about like 5 o'clock and it's getting a little dark, but we'll make it work. So when you walk in, right on the right hand side here, there is a tiny little hanging shelf for all of my scarves, belts, and hats. And then just right over here I have a little carpet here. This was actually in our bathroom for the longest time and I didn't know what to do with it. My baby's playing with dog toys. So I just stuck it in here, and then those are my slippers. Then over here I also have my purse that I'm currently using, which is a Michael Kors bag that I got on ridiculous clearance sale. It was 60% off and an additional 20% off, so that was awesome. This is my very favorite Betsy Johnson bag. It's got like metal studs on it that are really heavy. It's a heavy bag, but it's my favorite and I just can't part with it, so I've had that forever. Now we are into shoes and my son is on the floor, hope you don't mind. Nikolai, hi! Say hi! Hi, baby! Go get your ball. So these are all of my shoes and these are the shelves that I made that you will be able to see in my DIY video. I'm not going to go through individually and show you all my shoes because that would be just kind of ridiculous, but I have a lot of heels, and down at the bottom are all my like knee-high and thigh-high boots and stuff. The next shelf is my summer shoes, and then we go up to heels, tennis shoes, more heels, tennis shoes, and boots up top. Oh, I forgot to show you I have these two little like Chanel, #1 Chanel perfume bottle things. They're both different. One's an all gold one on the left and the one on the right has purple in it. I got these from TJ Maxx. I just thought they were so pretty. They were like $15 a piece, I think. Then we're going to move on over to this shelf over here. Down here at the bottom, this is just like a messy thing full of my pajamas. Then we go up a shelf, and this is all my unmentionables. All of that kind of thing are in those totes. I have a tote full of leggings here, just black plain leggings. These are my shorts, my summer shorts. Well, duh, obviously, summer shorts are for summer. What am I talking about? Anyway, this next shelf here, I display my Chanel bag that I got as a gift for my birthday from my husband. And this is kind of where I keep my more expensive things. I've got my Michael Kors watch and a bracelet, Giorgio Armani little clutch, some sunglasses, my Kate Spade wallet that I'm not using right now, Tiffany & Co. box. I've got a Tiffany necklace that he got me for our anniversary. My husband is so great. He knows that I love designer stuff. And then back there are just some boxes and stuff, an old Louis Vuitton phone case, that kind of thing. Next shelf is my perfumes and my nail polishes. So I only use OPI nail polish, so it's all displayed right up there. I just prefer the brand and the color selection. And then I have all my perfumes here. And then in the back, these are my clear OPI polishes that don't fit on the shelf. I have this little case here that actually has my, what's it called? It's that, I cannot think of the name of it, garter from my wedding. Is in that case there, and then right here is a Makeup Forever case that I just really thought was pretty, so I kept it. Next shelf up I have some Michael Kors purses. Obviously I like Michael Kors bags. He's just such a good bag designer, so I have mainly his bags. I lent one to my friend, so there is one missing here. And then at the very top are just some boxes. My winter boots are in that box right there. Then swimsuits are in that little tote, and then that's just a Fenty Puma box for my Fenty shoes, which are right here. Then we move on to the clothes over here, and I am super organized. Hi, little baby. Super organized by color, and then I go, I'm ridiculous when it comes to organization. I really like organized closets, so I've got all my colors up here, and then they're organized by, like, first is sleeveless things, and then stuff with spaghetti straps. Then we move on to t-shirts, and then long sleeve and sweaters, sweatshirts. Yeah, I'm kind of crazy like that. So I just wanted to show you guys that stuff. And then down here is all my white, brown, black clothes, grays. Here I just keep extra hangers of clothes that are most likely in the wash right now. And then my laundry basket. And my son really wants that hanger. You can't have that hanger, buddy? You want it? Okay. There's a hanger. So I tiled this floor myself, and I did all of this stuff here. So I just really wanted to show this video because I want to point out some things in my closet that I got for super cheap and show you, because I love doing savings videos, like showing you guys how I save on luxury brand items. So I'm going to show you some stuff in my closet that I got for super cheap. So let's get to it. These right here, first of all, these are my favorite sandals. I love them. I got these from hautelook. These are actually Kylie Jenner, and I think it's Kylie and Kendall have a clothing line together. I'm pretty sure that's theirs together. I got these from hautelook for super cheap. Let's see. I have a pair of Jimmy Choos up here that I got from mercari. These I got for like 20 bucks from mercari. Pair of Jimmy Choos. These are Manolo Blahniks that I got from thredup for really inexpensively. I want to say like these were under $50, and Manolos are really expensive. These again, these Fenty Pumas were from hautelook. These Michael Kors shoes were from, I think actually they were from Nordstrom Rack. I'm pretty sure. Yes, and I've got a whole bunch of Michael Kors shoes down here that are from thredup. I definitely recommend thredup for all of your shopping needs because that's where I buy most of my stuff. I have a vintage Dior sweater over here that I got from mercari. It's a really gorgeous like red vintage sweater. A lot of my clothes in here are from thredup. A lot of them are designer, but they're from an online thrift store. So I got them from way cheaper than you would spend anywhere else, like in a designer clothing store. And a lot of the stuff that I buy from thredup still has tags on it. So you can see right here, this one still has a tag on it. A lot of the stuff that I get from thredup has tags. So it's like brand new designer stuff for super cheap. And no one's ever worn it before, which is exciting to me. I want to share all of my nail polishes there. I got from beyondpolish.com. I will link that website down below. They sell OPI nail polishes for $6, and that is much cheaper than regular price. The silver capped ones are the OPI Shine ones. Those are a little more expensive. I believe they're $8, but still that's significantly cheaper than you would find in even Walmart. So I will link that below. All my perfumes come from fragrancenet.com, which is an extremely affordable designer fragrance website. You can buy makeup there as well. And yeah, so I will link all of my favorite websites and apps and stuff that I get all of my designer stuff from down below. I will also link that video. I did a video on it talking about all of my favorite money saving tips. So I just wanted to show you guys my closet and give you guys some tips if you're not familiar with these things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say goodbye to my son. Bye, Nikolai. Say bye-bye, people. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.